Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Before we start, quick disclaimer, I have already filmed this video once. I filmed 2 videos at the same time and my memory card corrupted. It's taken me weeks to try and get the footage off of the memory card. I thought there was a way of doing it and then it turns out there wasn't. So yeah, that happened and it's really annoying because this was a testing video. So obviously I'm still going to test the product anyway. I was sent this product to test and I need to show it you guys. It was really frustrating because, you know, it takes a lot of effort to film. I'd already done it and I have more planned for Christmas videos, but because obviously I'm really busy at Christmas and now I've had to refilm these and re-edit, well not re-edit them, I couldn't edit them in the first place and it's taken me so long to actually figure out that I literally cannot get the footage off of the camera, off the card. The card's saying it's locked and it's not locked. That little thing isn't down. I've moved it and it's just saying it's locked. If you know how to fix that, please let me know. It's a SD card, so not a micro SD card, just a normal SD card, and it's my 32GB one. It's not even that like that old. I got it when I got my vlogging camera, which was May, and yeah, it's December. But anyway, enough of that. Moving on. Today I'm going to be testing the Instylish beauty sponge. They did send it me and they have asked me to review it for them. However, they haven't told me anything to say, so all opinions are my own, so that quick disclaimer out of the way. If you do like this video, please don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up. And also, if you're not already, hit the subscribe button down below. But if you would like to see what I think of the Instylish beauty sponge, then just keep on watching. Okay, so obviously I have no makeup on because we are going to be doing foundation. And yeah, I've got eyebrows on, but nothing else. So I'm going to be reviewing the Instylish beauty sponge. As I did say, they did send this to me and asked me to review it. If I just get my phone, it actually gives me a little bit more information and I believe a discount code, so bear with me. And also I would like to point out the whole mess up with my camera and all of that. The brand Instylish have actually been really good about it. I was meant to post this not last week, the week before. Just let them know that my memory card was corrupted, and as I say, they've been really good about it. They just said post it when I can, so obviously that's what I'm doing. So let's have a look. So to get 10% off the product, you just need to quote Pixie 10. I will leave that up here for you, well, somewhere in and around the video. I'll also leave a description box down below as well in case you want to get your hands on one of these. So the beauty sponge I got was actually, oh, and I will also leave the link for the website down below. And then the name of the sponge I got, because it doesn't actually say it on the packaging, is the microfiber sponge. Now, I decided to do the microfiber sponge because I haven't tried a microfiber sponge before. I've only ever tried the normal ones. And yeah, wait until you see this because it is a little bit different. I mean, it's not like ours, well different, but it is different. I received it in this box like this. I actually have 2 of these. This is the second one that I haven't used yet, which I'm so happy I did because obviously I can clean the other one and everything, but it's just never the same as having a brand new one. So this is the box that it comes in. On the back it just says what the material is. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. And then it says, attention, clean the sponges with water before the first use. After moisturising, squeeze water out with palm to avoid nail scratching, pulling, twisting and fracture. Please wash the product by a professional cleaner and it should be kept in cool and ventilated environments to avoid mildewing and prevent from installation. Please replace the product regularly according to your times of use. It is supposed to replace every 15 to 30 days. And I actually did mention in my last video that there are a few spelling mistakes and grammatical errors on the back of this box, but I don't know, we're not a grammar channel, so. And then it just has their Instagram, which is Instylish_official, just all over the box, and then obviously their website. It doesn't say the sponge name on this box though, so obviously just bear that in mind. It just says multifunctional makeup sponge, but let me get it out because once you see it, you'll see how different it is to an actual beauty blender. Now, what I noticed, and especially like as I've been using this, there's a hole in the bottom and actually that's really good for draining all the water out so it doesn't feel like really wet. I hate it when a beauty sponge is too wet. I still like to have them damp. I almost said the M word then. Oh. I like to have them damp, but I hate when they're like overly damp. So the feel of this is really weird. It's like, I really can't describe it. It's like a furry almost material, and as you can see it's just shaped like this, so it has the flat end here, it's got a flat bit there, and then it's just around here. I actually find this really great for getting in between the eyes and around the eyebrows. So I'm going to actually do a close-up on this sponge in the hopes that you can actually see the texture, and then I will go wet it and you will see the difference inside. Okay, so as you can see, the sponge has grown probably twice, maybe more, its size. It's kept that texture. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just come in a bit closer so you can see how it puts the foundation onto my skin. Okay, so first of all, I'm actually going to use my primer. So this is the Revolution Ultra Face Base Primer. I absolutely love this stuff. I've been using this one a lot recently. It's more of a silicone-based primer. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but apparently they work for my skin quite well. I find that they can be quite mattifying. I know some people say that they can make makeup slip off, but I personally haven't found that at all. And when I'm doing these types of videos, I like to do everything that I would normally do, so that the makeup goes on exactly the same as if I was using my normal beauty sponge, so then I can give it a fair test. Okay, and for foundation, I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define. I use this foundation all the time, why don't I know the name? In F2. And as I said, I use this foundation literally all the time. And again, I'm just going to put on as much as I would normally. So take the sponge, and as I said, I'm going to come quite close. Nothing better than using a new sponge. And I don't know if you can see how nicely that actually made this foundation go on. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but that has gone on pretty quick, very smooth. It doesn't soak up too much product. Actually, when I first tested this, I used a different foundation, to be honest. One that I use sometimes, but not as much. So sometimes I forget how much it doesn't go as far as this particular foundation. But I do find that it doesn't really soak it up, and apparently that's what it's designed to do. I read that on the product description on their website. Obviously you can see it is on the sponge, but it kind of just sits on top of the sponge. And I'm also just going to show you the concealer as well. So this is the Revolution Supersize Concealer, and I have this one in the shade C1. You think I would know that by now. And again, just putting it where I normally would, and the same amount. The only thing I'm going to do different is I am actually going to bake with it. I normally bake, but it does say it can be used for powder, so you know, I need to give that a whirl. And again, I feel like, look, it just puts that foundation, that concealer on just as nicely as the foundation. And I'm just going to powder my eyelids first with a brush just to prevent creasing, because one of my pet peeves is creased eyelids, and I am about to do another makeup look, so I need my eyelids to be nice and set. Now I'm going to use the Primark My Perfect Colour Bake It Setting Powder. This is in the shade Nude. Does anybody else have this powder? Let me show you it when I've opened it. It's got like this whole thing here in the middle, but this used to have like a, I don't know if you can see, like a net almost over it, that you were meant to like push your brush down into the powder, and it was then meant to pop out. It did not work. I could either get no powder or too much and it used to go everywhere, so I ended up cutting a hole in it because it pissed me off. But the powder's really nice. Not a huge fan of baking with a sponge. I feel like it really dries my eyes out, but you know, let's get rid of the rest out of my nose. I think, you know, it applies the powder nicely and yeah, precisely as well. Okay, so I am actually going to do the rest of my makeup and I will check back in with you. So guys, as you can see, I have a lot more makeup on than previous. This is my 500 subscriber giveaway makeup look. I will leave that linked up here. I don't know if the competition will still be open by the time that this video goes up, but if it is, just follow the rules and you'll be in with a chance of winning the Shadow Moon Cosmetics makeup. My thoughts on the sponge. I really like this sponge. I've been using it constantly, so this is now my go-to makeup sponge. I love it. It's soft. It doesn't like take up too much of the product. I think it actually puts it on really beautifully, and as I said before, it's not too damp. I'm not saying the moist word on this channel, no way. Really, I think the microfiber Instylish beauty sponge it's really good and affordable, and as I said, just put in Pixie 10 at checkout and you will receive a discount. I'm not sure if that is an affiliate code. I actually need to double check that with them. If it is an affiliate code, I will make sure I let you guys know down there. An affiliate code is literally just me earning a tiny little bit of commission every time you use my code. Again, I don't know how much it is or if it is an affiliate code, but you know, I want to be real with you guys and I will never lie about anything on this channel. You know, I actually, like I say, really recommend this sponge. I think it's just a great alternative to a beauty blender. I actually might like it more than a beauty blender. So I say that out loud? Maybe. So guys, I'm going to post on Monday next week because obviously Tuesday is Christmas Eve and I know that people will be super busy. So yeah, on Monday I've got the Warner Brothers Harry Potter Studio Tour Hogwarts in the Snow vlog to put up. It's really Christmassy and I know that I haven't really done much of Vlogmas, but I work full time, so I literally just don't have time to do Vlogmas or that much of an interesting life. So yeah, it just would not be interesting. If I was maybe doing this full time, I would love to do Vlogmas. That is going to be my goal one day. If you want to make that goal happen for me, subscribe. But yeah, so that will be what is coming on Monday and I'm super excited to put that video up. I haven't even edited it yet, but I'm just so excited because it was such a magical day. So yeah, if you want to see that video, obviously you need to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell and you'll be notified every time I upload. If you did like this video, please don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up and I will see you guys Monday. Bye.